you will need to make crack chicken and rice. The chicken's in the pressure cooker. You'll need some bacon or bacon bits. I chose to use fresh bacon. Little green onions chopped up, cream cheese, rotel, cream of chicken, ranch seasoning, rice, and about 1/4 cup of chicken broth, salt and pepper, a bowl to mix it all in, a pan to put it in, and also with shredded cheese. I didn't pull my cheese out, but you'll need some shredded cheese as well. And as soon as the chicken is done and the rice is done, I will show you how to put it all together. Hi, my name is Jamie. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you guys are new. I am so glad to have y'all coming back, and I am so happy for all of my new subscribers. I am making crack chicken and rice. So you're just gonna cook up your chicken. I just used boneless chicken, and I put it in my pressure cooker, well, my Instapot, and I cooked it all in there, and then I used that to make my rice as well. And now I am just adding in all of the ingredients: the cream cheese, rotel, cream of chicken, the sour cream, the ranch seasoning packet, and then some bacon bits and little green onions. I did not use the chicken broth because it was creamy enough. The chicken broth is if it's too dry and you feel like it needs more, so it's not a little dry, then you can add the chicken broth. But me personally, I didn't, because I felt like it was plenty creamy, and this turned out so good. And you'll also put some shredded cheese inside and mix it all in very well, and then put it in your pan and just cook it until the cheese is melted. And this turned out really good. It smelled good, but it's actually even better the next day. This was the first time I've ever made this, and it was really good. But like I said, it is really good the next day if you just put it in the fridge and just let it sit overnight. All the flavors really come out. And because me and my husband, we ate on this for like 2 days, because I don't know how to cook just for 2 people, and because the kids, they are on vacation. So yeah, but for the remainder of this recipe, I'm just going to play some music. So this recipe my husband is cooking, it is watermelon chicken, and it is different, but it was still really, really good. The watermelon flavor didn't overpower it or nothing, but it does have like a hint of watermelon taste, and it was good. But right here my husband is cutting out all the watermelon out of the shell of the watermelon, because that is what the chicken is actually going to be cooked in. So now he is just fixing to scoop it all out. So right here he is just juicing some of the watermelon, and he will be spraying the chicken with the watermelon juice throughout the cooking process. So So now he is just seasoning up the chicken really good. He wanted to taste the seasoning before he finished seasoning it. And that seasoning was really good. It is sweet barbecue rub. We got that from Walmart. And he's just going to generously coat the chicken with the seasoning. And then once he is done seasoning the chicken, he is going to take 2 pieces of watermelon and shove it up the chicken's butt. And then he will put the chicken in the watermelon. And also he is using a little bit of wine, like a peach wine that you get from Walmart. He put some of that in there, and then just put a little bit of this juice, the watermelon juice, in there. And then he's just going to shove watermelon up the chicken's butt. And then he's going to take the top, and we're going to get the top put on there. And to get the top to stay on, we had to add a couple of skewers into it, but we got to cut a little piece off of the top of the watermelon because it would not fit on the grill, because it was a little too tall. So he shaved off a little bit of the melon on top of it so it would fit on the grill. And then you're just going to cook it. We cooked it for about 6 hours until it reached 165 degrees or higher. But that is the temp the chicken needs to be done, is 165 or higher. I hope you guys enjoy these recipes, and let me know if you try them out. And I hope you guys have a wonderful Tuesday and a wonderful rest of your weekend.